Hi, good morning. My name is Miss Mo. I am your new Algebra 1 teacher. Today we are going to begin with the topic algebraic expression. This is the very first topic we have to review for Algebra 1. An expression is a number phrase without an equal sign. So no equal sign for expression. So let's take a look at examples of expression. So number 1, we got x plus 13. Number 2, 2x plus x squared. Number 3, 3 plus 10. Number 4, x squared plus 5x plus 10. And number 5, 5m. All these are expressions. They had no equal sign. Now, an expression also divided into two types: numerical expression and algebraic expression. A numerical expression contains only numbers. Example, 3 plus 10, only numbers. Example 2, 12 plus 4 plus 6, only numbers. So one more time, a numerical expression contains only numbers. Now we go to algebraic expression. An algebraic expression contains numbers, variables, and symbols for the operations. So let's take a look at examples. Number 1, x plus 13. It has variable, it has number, and also symbol for the operation addition. So this is an algebraic expression. Number 2, it has numbers, it has variable x. So therefore, this one is a algebraic expression. It has addition, subtraction, and 2x, it means 2 times x. X squared, it means x times x. Number 3, we have x squared plus 5x plus 10. At variable x, at number 5 and 10, we have addition, multiplication, and multiplication. X squared, it means multiplication. Number 4, 5m. Number 5 and m. In between is multiplication. Number 5, 6x plus 7y. We get number 6, 7, and then we have variable x, variable the y. And then we have addition, multiplication, multiplication. Number 6, you got x divided by 8. We have variable, we have a number, and we have a division. Number 7, 1/2 of x. We have number, and we had variable. 1/2 x means 1/2 is timesing the x. 1/2 multiply x. Now we have number 8, y minus 9. We have variable, we have number 9, we have subtraction. Number 9 and number 10. Number 9 is an algebraic expression because we have variable x and y, and we have 4 and 9 numbers. Multiplication, 4 times x, 9 times y, and division. Number 10 is another algebraic expression. We get the division over here. We have number 2 and number 3, and at the bottom we have x minus 3. So we got numerator is a 2, denominator is x minus 3. So now let's go to the next part. Translate English phrases into algebraic expressions. So we already learned some word that you know about: multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So you know minus means subtraction, and you know multiply and times all mean multiplication. So today we are going to learn or review some special vocabulary that indicates addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. If you already know them, that would be perfect. If you forgot, today is time to review. Now let's take a look at question number 1. The sum of x and 9. The word sum indicates addition. So sum, it means add. So x plus 9. So number 2, it also means the addition. X is increased by 9. Increase means add. So that means x plus 9. From x, you increase 9. 9 more than x. It also means addition. So you begin with x and you get 9 more. The difference between x and 3. Difference means subtraction. So now subtraction, so which one subtract which? The difference between x and 3. X comes first. So therefore x minus 3. Number 5. X is decreased by 3. So we have x. Decrease gets smaller. So subtract 3. Number 6. It's another one. It indicates subtraction. So this one is a little bit special. 3 fewer CDs than Joe's, and Joe's had X CD. So you begin with X. 3 fewer. So that means 3 less. So subtract 3. Now we finish the addition and subtraction. So next we go to number 7, multiplication. The product of 4 and x. Product, it means multiplication. So we get 4 times x, or 4x. Number 8, of, it also means multiplication. 1/2 of x. So now we are going to put 1/2 times x. So some people may write just 1/2 times x without the multiplication sign. Number 9, it also means multiplication. Twice, it means 2 times. 2 times Nancy's age n. Twice Nancy's age n. So 2 times n, or 2n. Now let's take a look at number 10. Number 10, the quotient of x and 8. Quotient, it indicates division. So now x and 8, which one comes first? X comes first. So x divided by 8. Or x over 8. You use this as a division symbol. Number 11, x divided by 8. So x divided by 8. X divided by 8, or x over 8. So this number 11 is more straightforward. So we just went over addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So now some people may wonder, can I swap the order? There's only 2 you can swap the order: addition and multiplication. So x plus 9 is the same thing as 9 plus x. Just for example, if x is 2, 2 plus 9 is the same as 9 plus 2. But for subtraction, it's not the same. You cannot swap the order in subtraction. If x is 10, 10 minus 3 is not the same as 3 minus 10. Multiplication, we can swap the order. So you get 4 times x is the same as x times 4. But usually we would put 4x, the number go first. And then half times the x is the same as x times a half. So as I said before, we usually put the number first. And 2 times n is the same as n times 2. Just like if you had 2 times 100, the same as 100 times 2. So the only 2 that you can swap the order is addition and multiplication. Division, you cannot swap the order. Like for example, x divided by 8. If x is 16, 16 divided by 8 is not the same thing as 8 divided by 16. So you have to remember only addition and multiplication, you can swap the order. Now, I want you to do number 12, 13, 14, and 15 by yourself. So pretend that you are sitting in a classroom. So now you have to do some practice question yourself. So take out a piece of paper and a pencil. I'm going to give you 1 minute. You're going to do this 4 questions by yourself, and then I will show you the answer in 1 minute. Okay, so I'm going to count the time. Okay, 50 seconds to go. Yeah, 40 seconds. 30 seconds. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Okay, now let's go over the answer. Number 12. The sum of m and 7. The keyword is sum. Sum indicates addition. And because the order is m and 7, so I would put m plus 7. So of course, if you do 7 plus m, it's the same thing, because for addition, you can swap the order. Now let's take a look at number 13. The difference of 7 and m. So now you are going to look at the keyword difference. So the difference is going to be subtraction. Which one comes first? 7. So 7 minus m. You can't swap the order. 1/2 of y. Of means multiplication. So we are going to do is 1/2 times y. Of course, you can put y times a half. It's the same thing. The quotient of 8 and y. So which one comes first? 8. So therefore, it's going to be 8 divide, because quotient means division, divide by y. Of course, some people may write a over y as division. So you probably get the same answer. Now I'm going to ask you to go to write the summary of the lesson in 3 or 5 sentences, and then complete the 4 multiple choice questions. That it just look like what we learned today.